Hey guys, what is up? So today I am getting ready to go to work. I don't know why we're open. We are under a winter storm watch currently. So
2000 and the record low is 15, which occurred in 1940.
So we're under a winter
Sunrise
storm watch,
at 7:29
and then we
a.m.
have
and
like a
sunset
cold
at
weather
6:01
advisory or
p.m.
something.
The following is a winter storm watch for the following counties: Atascosa, Bandera, Bexar, Comal, Guadalupe, Kendall, Medina, and Wilson.
So I'm gonna be vlogging throughout this whole thing.
West, heavy mixed precipitation possible hill country, I-35 corridor, and coastal plains. Total snow and sleet accumulations up to 2 inches and ice accumulations around 1/10 of an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? A portion of south central Texas. When? From Monday evening through Tuesday afternoon.
Yep.
Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous.
Yeah, I don't know why Six Flags is open today. It doesn't really matter to me because I get off at 3:30 anyway. So they close at 7. They're open again tomorrow. I don't know if that's going to happen or what. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Then I'm just starting out my vlog for today. So bye guys. Got done from work. Sorry, I'm absolutely cold. We are now in our winter storm warning. I'm cold. Hey guys, so I am back from work and yeah, we only have like literally like 2 rides open. He's coming in here now. What are you doing? He's ready for the winter storm. Here, give him some water. It's right there. Yep. So we had like literally like 2 rides open today, and it was pretty cold. But where I was at, it was a lot better. Everyone got taken off the schedule for tomorrow. So obviously we are closed. Obviously there is a winter storm warning in effect right now for us. So yay! This is what the weather's like right now, guys. It's like cold. It's cold. What? Focus, camera. Yeah, it's like cold. Yeah, winter storm warning in effect for us still. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see it right now, but there is like literally snow on the ground. It was snowing earlier. I fell asleep. That is some snow right there. What? That's crazy. Like, see like snow on like the roofs on the ground. Yeah. Okay guys, on my main YouTube channel, it is slippery. Like there is ice like right here. There's ice. And this. Snow. $20.25 snow. Hands are like freezing, but look. So it looks like got my dot here. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go back inside because it's cold. Good morning, guys, on my winter storm adventure vlog. So yeah, so I did take some videos of the snow already, but I'm gonna show you guys my backyard since my cat is in the garage. So I just want to show you what it looks like out here. It is freezing, by the way. It's like 20 something degrees, like 29 degrees. Let me show you my, yep, so what you're seeing is definitely snow. Gotta be careful because this is icy. So this right here, that's snow. So this is what my backyard looks like, basically. Not a winter wonderland, however, it is some snow that is worth vlogging. So I'm back in the house because it is cold. I just want to show you guys outside. Okay guys, I just want to give you guys an update on the snow right now. But yeah, it is like melting. I believe the drops are the snow melting. But yeah, that's how my yard's looking right now with the snow. Here is another update, guys. So the snow is literally almost fully melted. I mean, there's still some on the ground, some on people's roofs and stuff. Like, it is like melting. But yeah, so the temperature is high enough for the snow to melt. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a little bit, see where we are with the snow melting. Okay guys, here's another update with the snow. All of it is melted. It is 11 a.m. Or not exactly all melted, but almost there. So I think this is gonna be the last update with the snow for today. So anyway guys, it is sunny. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next